Ever wonder why some AI systems cost a fortune to run? Let's talk about a game-changing idea that's making AI smarter and cheaper. Imagine an AI that's not just clever, but also thrifty, saving money while staying sharp. How does that work? Let's break it down. Here's the problem. Large language models, LLMs, are amazing at handling complex tasks, like coding, data analysis, or even navigating the web. But there's a catch. These AI agents often follow a two-step process: planning, figuring out what to do next, and acting, executing those plans. The issue? Both steps are computationally heavy. Every time the AI needs to plan, it's like asking a human to solve a puzzle from scratch, costly and time-consuming. Traditional methods to cut costs, like context caching or semantic caching, work great for chatbots. They store previous answers or parts of conversations to avoid repeating work. But here's the twist. These methods fail when the AI has to deal with real-world data or changing environments. Think of it like trying to reuse a recipe for a cake, but the ingredients keep changing. The same high-level plan, like bake a cake, might need totally different steps depending on what's in the kitchen. That's where agentic plan caching comes in. This approach is all about saving plans, not just answers. When an AI finishes a task, it extracts a structured plan template, a step-by-step guide, and stores it. When a similar task comes up, the system searches its plan library for the closest match. But how does it find the right plan? Instead of matching exact phrases, the system uses keyword extraction to focus on the core intent of the task. For example, if the query is calculate Costco's 2019 working capital ratio, the system might tag it with keywords like financial ratio or data analysis. Then it pulls the most relevant plan template and tweaks it with a new context, like specific numbers or data sources. Here's the kicker. Instead of using a huge, expensive LLM to replan every time, the system uses a lightweight model to adjust the cached plan. This cuts down on compute costs dramatically. In tests, this method reduced costs by 46.62% on average, while maintaining 96.67% of the original accuracy. Why does this matter? As AI agents take on more complex real-world tasks, efficiency is key. Imagine a financial analyst using an AI to compare companies' financial health. With agentic plan caching, the AI could reuse its recipe for calculating ratios, saving time and money. Or think of a doctor using an AI to diagnose patients. Reusing plans for similar symptoms could speed up care without sacrificing accuracy. But it's not all smooth sailing. The research highlights challenges. For instance, this method works best with tasks that have clear, repeatable patterns. When faced with novel scenarios, the system still needs human-like flexibility. It's a balance. Faster models might cut corners, while super-accurate ones cost more. The key is finding the sweet spot between speed, cost, and precision. Take financial analysis as an example. An AI might cache the steps to calculate a company's working capital ratio, dividing assets by liabilities. But if the data changes or the task gets more complex, the system needs to adapt. Caching helps with routine parts, but human-like judgment remains crucial. So next time you see AI doing something impressive, remember, it's not just brute force. It's about smart shortcuts, teamwork, and knowing when to stick to a plan versus when to pivot. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring how these systems shape our world, one clever step at a time. Thanks for watching. If you want more deep dives into AI and beyond, hit subscribe. See you next time.